Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Compustar two-way remote installed on the Range Rover Sport 2012. This vehicle, as you can see, the car is locked now right now, so the mirrors are folded and closed. And we have installed the one-button 2-mile range remote from Compustar. This one has a two-way feedback, so it will show you when the car is running. So we're going to hold the start button until we're going to have the green light for the remote. That means the system has received the command and the car will start. When the vehicle will be running, we're going to have a confirmation on the remote showing us that the car is running. And every few seconds, we're going to have a confirmation repeating to show the car is running. Now, as you see, the mirrors were closed. So when you approach the vehicle and open the doors with the original key, the mirrors will open. You can get into the car, press the brake, and drive away. You can turn the car off. The mirror function is, some vehicles has that availability, some vehicles don't. Depends on your car. Remote starters for Range Rovers can be found at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.